All right, it's about 8:30 in the morning, so it's pretty early. Just dropped off little man public speaking classes yesterday, so I got all day to get working on this car. So got my pressure washer, little Portland 1750, you know, PSI. It's not really a big boy or anything like that, but it's good enough to help me wash it, but not strong enough to strip off the paint. You know, got my microfibers in there. I used the Rain-X car wash concentrate, you know, bucket from Home Depot. I got this PVA towel, quick dry, detailer's choice. It's like pretty much like a sham wow. I honestly recommend this to a lot of you. And like, you know, even on like trim, dude, this thing like soaks up a lot of water, and it definitely keeps the watermarks down. Got some tire foam. Gotta have the tire foam. Tire shine, same shit. Great value glass cleaner. And where is it? Meguiar's Meguiar's interior detail cleaner. I use this in all of my cars. I'm not even sponsoring this shit, but fuck, dude, I love Meguiar's, dude. They always got good stuff, so I'm gonna be using that. But yeah, I'm about to pull the car up into the wash bay and fucking go from there. And you guys I'm gonna do a quick little video of how dirty it is, and just do like a little time lapse of me cleaning it. All right. All right. Smells like that good kush. Yep. Oh, and by the way, my buddy, his name is Devin Gunderson. He does a lot of streaming. For those of you that don't know him, go follow him. I think his name is King Dabbin TV. I'll put a link in the description. If you guys like gaming and COD and Warzone, he's really fucking good. Me and him used to play Halo back in the day. COD, you name it, with my buddy John Robinson too. We'd have LAN parties and stuff, man, but he's really good. Go check him out. Got the wheel lock. See, let me give you an example. Like my buddy, he didn't really care about this car or anything like that. Like, this was his A to B. Completely understand, you know. He's not into cars like everybody else, and it's not like he was like super dirty or anything with it. He just he had a dog, and you know, his dog would get in and out the car. Was his little homie, goes everywhere with him. But yeah, poor little pups, cutest little thing though. He's a Chihuahua wiener dog. His name's Louie. He's the cutest thing ever. But yeah, he kind of roughed up this car a little bit, but nothing I can't fix. Oh, it started up this morning. I got lucky though. Might not need a battery. Maybe it just needed a fat charge. So, you know, it don't look half bad. There are definitely some spots. I see a couple dents a little bit better, but hey, that's nothing I can't fix. It actually doesn't look bad. I need to go get some sap cleaner, probably make it look a little bit better. There are definitely sunspots. It definitely needs a respray. Clear coat needs to be taken care of. New rims. I need acid. I gotta put acid on it. But you know what? It didn't come out half freaking bad. It actually looks pretty clean now, other than clear coat. But yeah, next, time to tackle the interior. It's pretty beat. Yep. Hey bro, thanks for the money that's going in my piggy bank. Alright, for the interior, let's do it. Alright, so I gutted one of the seats, and this is what we're working with. It's alright though. Alright, so far with the seats out, this is kind of what we're looking at. You could definitely tell which side had the animal. Okay, thank you. I don't think this carpet is savable. It's not terrible. But for me personally, I'm not gonna buy a new one. I'm just going to, the best way to like make the carpet look new without having to buy a new carpet is to just paint it black and get rid of all that shit. All right, put the carpet out. This is what we're looking like. It's actually not bad looking underneath. It just needs a vac. As far as the insulation goes, everything looks great. It looks like a little bit of a leak right there from something, but could just be the fender liner. Same on that side as well. And then, yeah, it's a lot of work already. I've been at it for like maybe, I want to say 3 hours already. Completely gutted the interior. And this is what we're looking like. This is what the carpet looks like. Yeah, Acura Integras have those panels on them. There ain't nothing you can do. Well, you can cut them if you want, but let's not be ghetto. Yup. This thing's gonna be all black. I'm just painting it. Just pressure wash it, shampoo it, paint it black. It's gonna look great. Alright guys, so I know you guys remember how dirty that carpet was, and so let me just show you what like a basic pressure wash, a light shampoo, so not even like scrubbing can do, and then throwing some vinyl on it, some new it's like spray paint for like carpets. But look, it's like night and day difference. So we have this. This is all pressure washed, and a lot of the stains actually came up, but there's some stuff that you just can't work with. And this is what the carpet looks like so far. It actually looks really good. You know, it's kind of hard for me to tell on camera, but I'd have to you know, throw it on the computer to get a really good look at it, see how it looks post camera. But it actually looks great. It looks great in person. You know, the black really hit a lot of the stains. It's still kind of wet in some spaces, so it looks kind of splotchy. But once it dries, it's gonna look fucking amazing. So yeah, just gotta finish the other side, let it dry out in the sun, and then I'm gonna throw it in the car. Alright, carpet is complete. Are you guys ready to check it out? It don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. You know, it actually came out pretty well. Looks a lot better than it did. And it's gonna look even better in the car. I'm doing black trim just like the interior on my EK hatch. Doing black trim, black interior, all black, all black, all black, all black. And black is just the way to go. It just hides, it hides everything. Everything that's ugly, it does a great job of hiding. You can't go wrong with black. Alright, I'm gonna let it dry out here for a while. Let it dry for like an hour or two. And then I'm gonna put it back in the car. Alright, another update. This is what we're looking at. Been cleaning all the jams. Not like super thorough. I'm gonna go over everything once again, because you always gotta at least clean it twice before it looks good. With the doors, door jams, and it's starting to look good. I started gutting the interior, the trim, the backseat bolsters. I'm going to be painting everything a gloss black, so steering wheel will come out, the dash will come out, but for now I'm going to start with the doors and put the carpet in. Now I won't be getting the interior done anytime soon. It's going to take me a couple days. I'm taking the kids to vacation. On Friday we're going to Disneyland for a couple of days. I'll be doing a video about that, even though it doesn't really have anything to do with cars. But the car will be on a little bit of a wait while I'm gone. But I won't post this video until I get back, because I can't let motherfuckers know I'm not at my house with my cars. Alright guys, peace.